Hello everyone. Today let's unbox and see what's inside my Ceylon No Fuss Makeup Bundle. All the Ceylon gift boxes come with this thank you note from their team, and they were generous enough to send me these 3 samples as well. And here we have the beauty balm, the Kajal eyeliner, and the natural lipstick. First let's try and see the Sandalwood beauty balm. I ordered the medium shade of Sandalwood beauty balm, and let's see how it works on my skin. Next I have the Almond Kajal eyeliner. Here I have the natural lipstick in the shade of Sandalwood. The shade Sandalwood seems a little lighter than I expected it to be, but what's good about this natural lipstick and the beauty balm is that they both have sun protection.